How to use Monday.com for project management. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Monday.com for project management and more. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to Monday.com and you will land on this platform right here. Monday.com is a project management software and a CRM that allows you to create, task, manage your projects, collaborate with your team, and more. In order to get started with Monday.com, what you will do is click on Get Started. And you can sign up for free with your email address, or you can also use your Google account. Once you sign up for Monday.com or sign into your account, this is where you will get. You can see right here, this is the main dashboard we get with Monday. And on Monday, we have notification, inbox, my work, favorites. We can invite team members. And then we have this menu option, which takes us to our workspace. The first step is inviting members. So what you can do is click on the invite member option and you can enter their email address right here to invite your different member as viewer, or you can invite them as admin too. Enter their email address, click on invite, and they will be invited. This is going to be our main dashboard. Now let's create a workspace. For that, click right here on the home page, and then you will click on My Workspaces. If you want to create a new workspace, you can do that, or you can select the main workspace, which is the default workspace by Monday. And it takes you right here. And now we can create and add different boards to a workspace. So click on Add. We can create a new board, new document, new dashboard, choose from a template, and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose from a template and create a board. On Monday.com, we have a lot of different templates available. We have templates for marketing, content production, project management, documents, sales and CRM, freelancers, design, HR, startup, education, and more. So you select the template of your choice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one right here, which is the product development one. Select it. You can also start from a scratch if you want. I'm going to select this template and it will load it for me, and I'll show you how to create different tasks and how a Monday board works. So here we have our board. So you can see right here that on Monday we have this panel, which is the main workspace, and I can switch between the workspaces as I like. Then we have our project and we have different lists and boards created. So I have selected this one. This is one of the boards. Let's close this. First of all, you can change the name for your board, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a test board. Here we have table, main table, current sprints, Kanban, and we have different views. So if you click on this plus button, it will allow you to add a view. So there are different views available. We have table view, dashboard view, chart, Kanban, Gantt, cards, form, file, gallery, and more. So let's switch to a Kanban view and let me show you how it looks. So you can actually adjust the view according to you, whatever you like the most, and it depends on you how you enjoy your workspace. So I'm going to go to the main table view, and here we have different lists. So we create a group on Monday, and then each group has a task, and we can add different columns to a task as well. How to create a task on Monday? You will select a group and then click on Add Task button right here. What to do about the task that template already has? What you can do is you can just open it up and change it. I'm going to click on Add Task and add a task named as Task 1. Click on Enter and it will be created. Now I can add a comment about it. I can assign it to a team member. I'm going to assign it to myself. Then we have different labels created and statuses: ready to start, in progress, waiting for the review, pending, and others. We can also edit a label ourselves and create one. Let's create a label for error. Almost all the labels are already created. That is why I go with a template, because then it saves you a lot of time. Let's say this task is in progress, so I will just add the status of in progress. Click on Apply. Then we have priority, so we can select the priority. It's actually a critical task. Then we have type. So what type of task it is, it totally depends on you. Like, what columns do you want? So if you want to delete a column, what you can do is you can click on these three dots and click on delete, and that column will be deleted because it's not necessary for us. For example, I'm going to delete this one too, and then we have this one. I can also add a label if I want. For that, we will have to just, swipe all the way here, and you can see you will find a plus button. Click on add column, and you can add a column for dependency, files, number, time tracking, drop down. So I'm going to select time tracking, and it will create a new column for me. So this is how you can add as many columns as you like for a task on Monday. Once it's done, you can check it from here, and that task will be added to your completed task. Scroll down to create new groups. You can see. To create a new group, you just click on these three dots, and you can actually collab this one if you want, select it, or click on add group option and create a new group right here. And similarly add different tasks. So if you want to add a member to your board right here, what you need to do is you will click on the invite option given. Click on invite, enter their email address, and they will be invited to this specific board right here. We can also filter our tasks from these filters. To add a new task, this option is available again. Click on new task, and then it will create a task in the group, or you can select a group from here. We can also import tasks from our spreadsheet and other softwares. Similarly, we have last seen here power apps, automations, and integration. So Monday is actually really famous for its integration center because we can integrate almost all softwares out there, and it helps us customize and actually improve our Monday experience. We have MailChimp, we have Jira, Gmail, Slack, then we have Trello, we have Google Calendars, emails, Zoom. You can integrate any type of platform to your Monday.com. Similarly, we have some of the power apps available, such as board view, automations. So automation helps us save time, and it automates our work. We can create different automations. For example, I can create an automation for assigning a task. For example, when an item is created, assign it to this person. So I'm going to use this template. Click on create automation. When an item is created, assign this to, and I'm going to select a person here, my name, click on create automation, and the automation will be added. So whenever I will create a new task, I won't have to assign it to someone. I have already added their name, and the task will be assigned to them automatically. Similarly, we have other automations created. So this is how Monday.com works, and it's actually really good for CRM too. Because with CRM, what I can do is I can create a workspace, create a board for CRM, and then I can have a different board for each of the department. Let's say for sales, for HR, then we can have someone for project management. So you can add like different tasks right here to each board. Click on these three dots, and you will be able to delete a board if you want from the template. Click on delete, and that board will be deleted automatically, and you will be able to actually create and customize your boards from here. You can also switch between the boards from this option given. The task you have created, we can open it up. So this is the task. I can click on open, and it will open it up for me in a window where I can actually check the updates. We can also get a task overview. It will also allow me to upload the files and activity log. Here I will be able to see the task description, different owner views. So this is actually a pretty good way to actually get an insight to your task that you have created. We can also give feedback here and add different widgets. Here we will be able to see the assignee. This is how we create and manage tasks with Monday.com because it has all the right features for us. It is also a very good CRM. So go ahead and check out Monday.com. This was a beginner's tutorial. If you had no idea how to use Monday.com, now you know how to create a workspace, how to create a board, create a task, and assign it to a team member to collaborate and get started and get more productive. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.